Security Minister warns motorists who seek to bribe police officers. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
I am Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Clarendon Police make significant siege of weapons and ammunition.
Police intensify search for St. Thomas Most Wanted.
Former Industry Minister says no to boycott of Trinidadian products.
Appleton Sugar Factory to remain closed following court ruling today.
Then in the financial week, Expo Jamaica to target growth and job creation.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but first our feedback question.
Do you think the government should look at restructuring the witness protection program?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and send us your tweets to @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.